Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system by Tabby D, how it works, and what it can do for you. Okay, so for those of you who already know and have seen my previous videos, guys, Tabby D is the creator of the 10x income system. It is an affiliate program, guys, that is completely automated because of the traffic packages that you can leverage once you are inside. It is 100% passive, okay? So you can stop failing and finally break through. Oh, and there's a 365-day money back guarantee, guys, right there. Okay. So right now it's 297, guys. There's a giant price cut. Used to be 997, guys. Not sure how long this will last, guys. And some of you actually had questions in the past, guys, about some of the traffic packages. There are people who asked in the past that I've sort of told this program um, that they're wondering how the traffic packages work. And just so you all know, guys, the traffic packages are something you would need to buy once you actually pay the 297 and get into this program. They are not free, guys. And some of you might be wondering about some of the conversion rates, guys. I haven't used the traffic packages myself yet. I haven't even been promoting this program for a week yet. But I'm gonna look in the Facebook group, guys, and show you something that someone actually commented on one of my posts. Okay, so if we scroll down right over here. Okay, so I'm pretty new in this group, guys. This is a members only group, and I asked, hey, can anyone in the group tell me what the average conversion rate is for Tabby D's traffic packages? Because I was considering purchasing some soon, right? So of course I want to get some info on that. And someone answered, right? I posted this 35 minutes ago where we have someone in the group answering and actually sharing an experience. Okay, guys? So this lady, Lynn, has joined on September 1st, on the 1st of September, guys, paid $200 in traffic and got 2 sales on September 23rd, but nothing since. Okay, so first of all, she put in 200, guys, and she actually gained about 600 because every single affiliate sale in the 10x income system, guys, is 297. Okay, so she put 200 in, guys, and almost got 3 times or 2 times the she got 2 times the amount of money that she put in, guys. She put in 200 and she gained 400 profit, about 400. Yes, because it's 297, so it's 400 minus $6, guys. So that would be 394. All right, so 394 in profit just by putting in $200 into the traffic packages that Tabby D is providing. And now the reason that these work so well, and I think they beat regular paid advertising, because Tabby D is a Google traffic expert, guys, as I might have already mentioned before. And she collects this traffic for you guys, so it converts at a higher rate. So people are actually making money, guys, and not just burning it. Um, I don't know about some of you who are watching this, but I was running Facebook ads in the past, guys, and I was getting extremely low conversion rates, guys. I was not profitable whatsoever, guys, and I had to stop it. Okay. I'm not a Google ads or Facebook ads expert, guys, but Tabby D is. Okay, she knows this stuff. She's been studying this stuff for the past few years, so you don't have to, guys. That's why she invented this program. Okay. So this is pretty much just the Facebook group with members only, guys. So I'm pretty sure you cannot get into this group unless you are a member, guys. So we have people, real people, who are just giving advice and their personal feedback, like that lady above just did on my comment, guys. So this is very, very, very huge and very beneficial for anyone who is new, guys, because this is a very beginner-friendly environment, guys, where you can ask questions, guys, and get real answers from real people, which is always cool. All right, guys, if you have any other questions or concerns, let me know, guys, and I'll be happy to answer them down below in the comments. And as usual, guys, there is a link in the description so you can actually get on this page and check out this program for yourself, guys. There's a 365-day money back guarantee for all the new members, guys, because Tabby D is so confident in this program and that you can succeed with it. Right now, it's only $297, guys, but that will not last for long. So get on this. All right, guys. Hope this was helpful, guys. If so, you know where to comment and be sure to subscribe to this video, guys, for more content in the future. All right. See you next time.